hell, that kid's 6 foot tall. After we won the race last year, we were coming.
Yeah, we only got a couple of laps. Go, go, go! Ease up, hey. Easy! Yeah, easy! Easy, we got it! Good! Easy! Whoa, you better duck over there! Easy! Ease up! Come on, 007, you're 4 laps behind. Easy!
Come on, Damon, hold it down. Come on, buddy.
Go, 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 go. Good. Easy now. Ease up. Is everything working? We're in first. Don't ruin it, just go easy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. He won't do it. He likes me too much. I already caught him good looking. Come on, let's have it. I swear they're going to get you a shopping cart, bud. Just finish. Just finish.
Your daddy's gonna give you a shovel tomorrow and you don't drive better than that, Tom. Come on, smile away at me. Let's Nichols. Come on. Come on, Damon. Ride that thing.
That was it. Yep, we won. Let them go through. Let them through. I want to go one more lap around just to make sure. No, I want you to check the flag. Don't crash the Jeep. Check this smile out. That took out half of them.
Well, we got another heat coming. It's heat number 2. In the number 3, Brandon Amrine. The 310, Brandon. Over to the 4, Dickinson. In the 11, tonight, Raymond Lerma. The number 7 is Ryan Davey in the number 12. Joe Hawk in the J53. Cody Welch in the 27. Ian Lagrin in the 51.2.
Check that smile
Justin
out.
Duran in the 69. That's heat number 2. You ready, Gam Lytle? He says you guys drive like a bunch of old men. He wants to see a show out here. He says the last car we might only do a little much. He said his lawnmower will do better than that.
Hey, what's up, brother? Hey, October. It's the next race for us. Okay, you're invited. Right on. Did it. Dude, right on. What's up with the turning? Nothing. Just nothing. It's no pushing. My smile.
Hey guys,
We'll go to the pits.
Oh, here we go. Hey, check it out. That black one out there, the 3. That's Brandon Amrine.
Streak up.
The J53. Joe Hawks. What's next, Kyle?
Whoa,
310.
we're gonna park it.
I know that
Hit
name.
with a water balloon. I know.